letters. This is a stencil of numbers. So a stencil, the design is where the color goes. A mask, the outside or the outline is where the color goes. So I'm going to be using some black modeling paste from the Crafters Workshop just to demonstrate the difference for you. Now, to make it even more clear, I'm going to do it on top of these book pages just because I think you'll be able to see that a stencil, the black modeling paste is going to be the numbers. With a mask, the black modeling paste is going to be the outline of the letters. So let's get started. So now I think you can see stencil, right? The black goes through and the design is the numbers are black. Mask, you can see it masks or hides the letters, and so the outline is the black. So that's essentially the difference between a mask and a stencil. To clean a stencil that has modeling paste on it, first I scrape over it just to get any excess off. And when it doesn't look like anything else is scraping down, then I switch to a baby wipe. And I just start to rub away because I don't really want to put all of this stuff down my sink. And I certainly don't want to waste it. So I'm on top of a piece of painted deli paper because now I'm going to get sort of a watercolory version of this mask in the background. So once this is saturated, I'll get rid of it, get a new one, and keep going until it's clean enough to take to the sink. And again, I don't scrub my stencils for any reason other than the fact that I don't want the dimensional modeling paste or molding paste to be on them. But now this is clean enough to go to the sink and not do a ton of damage to my plumbing. And I have this cool background paper that I can also use.